Welcome back, first grade crew. Welcome to day 20 of our virtual learning. Again, we're in math, so let's get started. So in math today, you're going to see some pages, and it talks about Hansel and Gretel, and they're going on a path, but they don't want to get lost. So each step, for one step, they leave a breadstick, or a breadcrumb. For every 5 steps that they take, they leave a pine cone. For every 10 steps that they take, they leave a pebble. So we're walking. So again, we're walking. But let's count how many steps we took. So that was 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, and then on my 5th step, I left a pine cone. So 5. So for every 5th step you take, you leave a pine cone. But remember, for every 10, you leave a pebble. So we went 5, we only took 1 more step, so that's only a breadcrumb. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we took 10 steps, so we're going to leave a pebble. So again, for every 1 step you take, you leave a breadcrumb. For every 5 steps you take, you leave a pine cone. And for every 10 steps, you leave a pebble. So let's figure this out. I have a pebble, some breadcrumbs, a pine cone, some more breadcrumbs, and another pebble. Well, if I know that every 10 steps is a pebble, I can't start at 1 because that would be a breadcrumb. This would be a breadcrumb. So I started at 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more steps. So that's a pine cone. So then we started at 10, we took 5 steps that got us to 15, but because this was 5 steps in between, I left a pine cone. So now from 15 to here, how many more steps are we going to take? Let's see, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So from here to here was 10 steps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from start to finish, I took 10 steps. So that's why there's another pebble. So for every 5 steps you take, remember it's a pine cone. For every 10 steps you take, it's a pebble. The ones in between are just breadcrumbs, and that's important, the ones in between. So let's look at another example. I see that I have breadcrumb, pebble, breadcrumb, blank, blank, breadcrumb, acorn. Well, how can I figure that out? So my starting number is 38. And if I know that a breadcrumb is 1 step, what's 1 more than 38? Oh, 39. Now, I see a pebble here, so I must have taken 10 steps. So remember, we learned our 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Those are all 10s. So you can always look at a number chart if you're not sure. But I know after 38, 39, 40. 40 comes here, and 40 is a 10, so it matches our pebble. Okay, then I took 1 more step. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So from here to here, I took 5 steps, which is why we ended the pine cone. But what do I put in the missing spots? Well, from here to here was only 1 step, so I should put what? A breadcrumb. Now from here to here was also just 1 step, so I should also put another breadcrumb. So on your pages, you have some missing paths that have breadcrumbs, pine cones, and pebbles, and it's your job to fill them in. So remember, the important information is 1 step is a breadcrumb, 5 steps is a pine cone, and 10 steps is a pebble. Okay, good luck.